sweet.
Welcome back to my channel, you guys, and it's your girl Elizabeth Marie, and I'm back with another video. And today I'm doing a DIY body scrub, and it is going to be strawberry Valentine theme body scrub. So, I did a little decorating on this, So, let's get into it. Okay, you guys, so the first thing you want to do is you want to get a cup full of dried strawberries. You can find these in the produce aisle towards the bakery, and they should be like around the candy aisle or like chip aisle, like the snacks and stuff. That's where you can find them. I would probably prefer like an organic store or something because it was so hard to find this pack. And this had bananas, so I had to separate it and everything. And then you're just going to take a blend. I'm taking a blender. You do not have to take a blender if you do not have one. I'm taking the NutriBullet, and I'm just going to grind this up into a powdery form. You can also try, put them in a plastic baggie and using a rolling pin or using a hammer, breaking it up. Either one's fine. If you do not have a blender, you do not have to use one. So once you have that blended really well, or broken up into very well, you're going to notice that it's sticking to the cup or to your baggie or whatever. So you're just going to dump this into a mixing bowl and then try your best to scrape whatever's left over, because it is definitely sticking to the sides. And the next thing you're going to grab is going to be the coconut oil. You want to make sure I use organic coconut oil, virgin coconut oil. And the reason why I'm using coconut oil is because it's very moisturizing, and I'm just addicted to coconut oil, to be honest. You do not have to use coconut oil. You can use almond oil, avocado oil, whatever you prefer. I just prefer to use coconut oil. And then I'm also going to, you see that I already threw in the sugar. So if you're going to use granulated sugar like I did, you want to use 2 cups of that. If you're going to use cane sugar, then you're going to use 1 cup of that. And that's what's going to help exfoliate and everything. And after mixing the sugar and the dried strawberries really well, you're going to go ahead and put in 3/4 a cup of coconut oil. Honestly, I think I put too much in. So if you're going to use granulated sugar, I would say you would be okay with just doing a 1/2 cup. And if you're going to do the cane sugar, then you'll be fine with just the 3/4 as the ingredients had called for. Now, the reason why I'm using strawberries, one, it's Valentine's Day, or tomorrow's Valentine's Day, that is. And I just feel like strawberries, like, you know, a part of Valentine's Day. Like, that's out of all the fruits, what do you think? Strawberries are the first thing that comes to mind, and they smell so, so good. And they're rich in vitamin C. They prevent aging, acne, pimples, protect the skin, um, helps with excess oil, lightening blemishes, etc. And then also I'm taking the vanilla, and this is also going to help with, you know, anti-aging as well. And then I'm also going to put in, and this is completely optional, I'm going to put in a teaspoon of strawberry extract that's going to give it a more, you know, stronger strawberry smell. Now, the dried strawberries alone definitely gives you that smell, but I feel like the coconut oil kind of takes away from it just a little bit, so that's why I put in a teaspoon of the strawberry extract. And then you're just going to go ahead and mix everything together. After mixing everything together, this is what it looks like. Like I said, I used granulated sugar, so it looks more like sand. So you want to mix it until it gives you like that sand texture. And then next, I'm just taking a plastic fork and I'm just scooping everything into the jar that I'm going to use. I forgot to mention another thing. Another reason why I'm doing granulated sugar is because the cane sugar, thicker crystals, it irritates my, it doesn't necessarily irritate my skin, but it does make me red, and I can be red for a while. And I just find that finer sugars doesn't do it like that. So I feel like for sensitive skin, you would probably want to go with granulated sugar. But as I stated, it's definitely your opinion. Whatever you feel better with. So that is the finished product. I've got it all packed in here. You want to make sure, because we did use the dried strawberries, you're going to want to write the date that you created this, just to make sure that you use it within 3 months. And then, yeah, so if it's Valentine's Day, you want to light some candles for your woman, girlfriend, wife, whatever, boyfriend. And you know, you just scoop up some of the scrub and it feels so good, especially rubbing in your hands. It's gonna exfoliate your hands, your legs, your arms. And what a great way to enjoy Valentine's Day, or just, you know, relaxing in general. If you're single, you can definitely, this will definitely, like, you know, have yourself, like, treat yourself. This feels so good. You want to make sure you're in warm to hot water, bath, shower, and apply in a circular motion. When you get out, I guarantee you, your body is going to feel so soft and clean. If you like this video, make sure to give me a big thumbs up and stay tuned. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and I'll be back with another one. Bye.